wraps me in silence, whispers of the storm outside. Book in hand I escape now, lost in pages I couldn't fight. Oh, the world outside can wait in this cozy little state. Raindrops dance and puddles play, and here I'm safe from the fray. Tea steam rises in the dim light, calm settles in my heart. Memories flood of old nights when life was just the start. Breathing in the sheer stillness, no rush, no chase, just presence. In this rain I find my solace, moments stitched with essence. Oh, the world outside can wait in this cozy little state. Raindrops dance and puddles play, and here I'm safe.